Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel, and today I am going to make a Joker portrait in two different variable forms like black and white and a colored version with some mixed doodles, so that it would be a great idea that I can print on my t-shirts, merchant brands, so that it will be very creative first of all and will be very attractive for people so that they can have on their t-shirts as well and hoodies. So let's get to it. Now as I am able to complete the black and white part, I was thinking that what should I do? Should I give this left hand side character cartoon part or the realistic version that we have seen in the movie? So I just thought that I should go with the realistic version and drawn some basic lines. As you can see that I basically use grid method because it gives a basic line lookout for our art. So it's a very common thing between artists that we use fixative spray on our art so that they becomes much less proof. It's like a magical substance which create a thin layer of invisible shield which protects our arts from our hands, because the most chances of destroying our art are our hands only. We create our art with our hands only and destroy with them only. So fixative spray are very helpful at this point. So I just used it, and after that I sat down thinking about that. What should I draw so that it will create cool impact on my art? So after making just doodling all that defines, I start use my alcoholic markers to color it up. Now after completing all the designing part, I just click a good picture of it, and with the help of Photoshop I just printed this on my hoodie, and this is how it looks. If you like this video then please comment करके मुझे ज़रूर बताना कि आपको कैसा लगा. and what type of art you want me to create, because the next video is apparently related our new upcoming villain, which is much more powerful than any other villain right now in DC, and that's Black Adam. So till that guys, thank you for watching my video.